Hey guys, my name is Rayon Hudson and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be telling you guys 5 Photoshop keyboard shortcuts so it can make editing in Photoshop easier for you guys. Now, please, if you don't like the editing of this photo, please ignore it. I was just trying out something. So, yeah. So, the first keyboard shortcut is Command Option Shift E. So you gotta click these 4 buttons, and what that will do is it will merge all the layers. So now you guys have merged layers in one layer. So you can rename this layer whatever you want, and yeah. The next keyboard shortcut is Command J. So Command J, what that does is it duplicates the layer. So as you guys can see, it made a duplicate of the curves layer that I had here. So yeah, that's a quick way to make a duplicate instead of dragging it down here to the new layer button and creating another duplicate. You can create a duplicate by clicking Command Option J and then you have to click OK, but that's a lot. So yeah, a quick way to do it is just Command J. The next Photoshop keyboard shortcut is the brackets. So the left bracket, you can use that with the brush tool or the clone stamp tool or the healing brush tool or the spot healing brush tool. So what this does is it makes your brush smaller or bigger. So the right bracket is bigger, the left bracket is smaller, so it makes the brush bigger and smaller. So yeah, the next keyboard shortcut is Command Subtract. So it's the Command and minus key. So what that does is it zooms out of the picture. The next keyboard shortcut is Command Plus. So that zooms into the picture. The next keyboard shortcut is Command 0. So let's say that you're zoomed all the way into the picture and you want to zoom out, but you don't want to zoom all the way out. You just want to make the photo fit. So you click Command 0 and that makes the photo fit into the frame. The last keyboard shortcut is the before and after. So what you'll do is you have to click you have to hold down Option and then you have to click the eye next to the background layer, and then that's going to give you a whole before and after. So this is not going to be it's not going to show you what the before was like in Camera Raw if you did some adjustments in Camera Raw. It's just going to show the adjustments that you did in Photoshop. So yeah, so hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and share it with any photographers who would like to know some Photoshop shortcuts to make editing easier for them. And comment down below some tips that you have, if you have any other Photoshop keyboard shortcuts, please share them in the comments. And if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more of these videos, more of these photography videos, click the subscribe button and yeah, click the bell next to the subscribe button after you guys subscribe to my channel to get notifications for when I upload new videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.